Nature's bounty. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of plums, not just a delicious fruit, but a powerhouse of history and health benefits that might just surprise you. These little jewels not only have a rich history but also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. In orchards bathed in golden sun, plums dangle, a harvest begun. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and my prune jokes. Ever wonder why plums have been adored for centuries? Well, let me take you on a historical roller coaster. From ancient China, where plums were symbols of longevity and good fortune, to the palates of Roman emperors who cherished these fruits, plums have woven themselves into the tapestry of human history. Plums' tender skin, a painter's delight, a palette of purples, a royal invite. Juicy secrets hidden within, a poetic dance in the sun and wind. Plums have graced the tables of kings and commoners alike, earning a reputation as a symbol of prosperity. They've been a staple in diverse cultures, each celebrating these succulent wonders in their own unique way. Beneath a veil of leaves so green, a tempting vision, a luscious sheen. Ripe and ready, a burst of flavor, nature's gift, our taste to savor. Now, let's fast forward to the present and talk about the impressive health benefits of plums. It's not just about flavor, it's about fueling your body with goodness. Let's talk about the incredible health benefits packed into these little wonders. First up, plums are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, plums are packed with antioxidants, including phenolic compounds and vitamin C. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting overall health. Supportive of heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in plums contribute to heart health. The fiber helps in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, while potassium supports proper blood pressure regulation. Aids digestive health. Plums are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. Fiber helps prevent constipation, supports regular bowel movements, and contributes to a healthy gut microbiota. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in plums plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Weight management. Plums are relatively low in calories and rich in fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack. Including plums in your diet can help with weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Bone health. Plums contain essential nutrients for bone health, including vitamin K and potassium. These nutrients contribute to bone mineralization and density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and maintaining overall bone strength. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that plums may help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber content in plums, along with certain compounds, can contribute to better blood sugar control, making them a potentially beneficial fruit for individuals with diabetes. Cognitive function. The antioxidants in plums may have neuroprotective effects, potentially supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Skin health. The antioxidants in plums, particularly vitamin C, contribute to skin health by protecting against oxidative damage. Hydration. Plums have a high water content, contributing to overall hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for various bodily functions, including circulation, digestion, and temperature regulation. It's important to note that the health benefits of plums are part of a balanced and varied diet. Including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meals can provide a broad spectrum of nutrients that contribute to overall health. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate these fantastic fruits into your daily routine. With every bite, a symphony sways, sweet and tart, in delicious arrays. A fragrant potion, an orchard spell, in each plum, a story to tell. From plum-infused salads to decadent desserts, the possibilities are endless. Interesting fact. Did you know that the prune is a dried-up plum? Plums are the fresh, juicy fruits, while prunes are dried plums with a more concentrated flavor and a higher concentration of nutrients due to the removal of water during the drying process. In baskets full or a pie's embrace, plums unite, a culinary chase. From dawn to dusk, their flavors bloom, in the garden of life, a fragrant bloom of plume. Grilled balsamic honey-glazed plums with Greek yogurt parfait. Recipe. Ingredients: 4 ripe plums, halved and pitted, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup Greek yogurt, fresh mint leaves for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the plums, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. In a small bowl, whisk together balsamic vinegar, honey, olive oil, and vanilla extract. Brush the cut sides of the plums with the balsamic mixture, ensuring they are well coated. Grill the plums. Place the plums on the preheated grill. Grill for 3–4 minutes, or until the plums have grill marks and have softened slightly. Make the yogurt parfait. Spoon the Greek yogurt into serving glasses or bowls. Drizzle a little of the remaining balsamic mixture over the yogurt. Assemble the parfait. Once the plums are grilled to perfection, place them on top of the Greek yogurt in the serving glasses or bowls. Enjoy! Serve immediately and savor the delightful combination of the smoky grilled plums, the tangy Greek yogurt, and the sweet balsamic honey glaze. Fiber whispers, a digestive kiss, in every plum and prune a healthful bliss. Heart's ally in potassium's embrace, a wholesome treat, a nutritious grace. Now it is time for my jokes. Who is the old prune's closest cousin? The old raisin, of course. What are similarities between prune and raisin? They both are very wrinkled. How did the prune and the raisin get so wrinkled? They are both very ancient and have sat in the hot sun for a long time. Why did an old prune and an old raisin get into an argument? They were arguing about who had fewer wrinkles and who looked younger. When Prune was a young plum, it worked as professional plumber. Why did the prune and the raisin start a comedy club? Because they had a wealth of old wrinkled punchlines. How did the prune and raisin celebrate their birthdays? They threw a party and called it a Prune Raisin the Wrinkles Bash. What did the prune say to the raisin at the senior center? I may be wrinkled, but at least I'm not raising a fuss about it. How did the prune and raisin react when someone called them dried up old fruits? They said, well, we prefer the term, vintage or antique snacks for very wise old people, because they know good nutrition. What's the prune and raisin's favorite type of music? Oldies, of course. Let's raise a toast to plums so fine, a fruit divine, in every rhyme. Nature's treasure in a humble sum, celebrate the allure of the mighty purple-blue plum. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.